This lesson is on parallel lines and transversals. Parallel lines are lines that are the same distance from each other at all points. These lines never cross. This is line L, and this is line M. Both these lines are parallel. A transversal is a line that crosses at least two other lines. A transversal that crosses two parallel lines creates special angles. This is the transversal we're calling T. Corresponding angles are angles that are in matching corners of the parallel lines. They are congruent. Their angle measures are equal. In this image, angle 2 and angle 6 are corresponding angles. They are corresponding because they are in the same upper right-hand corner of the parallel lines that are created with that transversal. Angles 4 and angles 8 also are corresponding because they are in the bottom right-hand corner. These angles also are equal. Other corresponding angles would be angle 1 and angle 5, and angle 3 and angle 7. Vertical angles are angles that are opposite each other. They are congruent. Their angle measures are equal. Angle 2 and angle 3 are vertical angles. They both measure the same. Angle 6 and angle 7 also are vertical angles. Angle 1 and angle 4 are the same, and angle 5 and angle 8 are the same. If angle 2 measured 60 degrees, angle 3 also would measure 60 degrees. If angle 1 measured 120 degrees, angle 4 also would measure 120 degrees. And if you notice from the first example of corresponding angles that angle 2, which is 60 degrees, also would be the same measure as angle 6 because they are corresponding. All of these angles have special relationships. Alternate interior angles are another pair of special angles. They are angles that are on the opposite side of the transversal. Remember, here is your transversal. And they are inside the parallel lines. So angles 3 and 6 are alternate interior angles because they are on opposite sides of the transversal and they are on the inside of those parallel lines. They are congruent and their angle measures are equal. Another pair of alternate interior angles would be angle 4 and angle 5. Alternate exterior angles are angles that are on the opposite side of the transversal. Here's the transversal, but they are outside the parallel lines. So alternate exterior angles would be angle 1 and angle 8. They are on the opposite side and they are outside the parallel lines. Other alternate interior angles would be angle 2 and angle 7. Now, same side interior angles are angles that are on the same side of the transversal. And there's your transversal. But they are inside the parallel lines, and these angles add up to 180 degrees. So angles 4 and 6 are same side interior angles. So if angle 4 measured 130 degrees, angle 6 would measure 50 degrees because they add up to 180 degrees. Angles 3 and 5 also are same side interior angles. If angle 3 is 50 degrees, then angle 5 would be 130 degrees. And you might remember from the alternate interior angles, angles 4 and 5 are alternate interiors, and they also are equal. Our last set of special angles are supplementary angles. They are just angles that add up to 180 degrees. They can be called linear pairs, and they can be adjacent or next to each other. So angles 1 and 2 are supplementary. You can see that they create a straight line which measures 180 degrees. Angles 2 and 4 also are supplementary. They add up to 180 degrees. Angles 3 and 4 and angles 1 and 3.